Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will tell you about food delivery app in India via drones or not. Zomato, Swiggy, Dunzo get DGCA's approval for flight test drone deliveries in India. Zomato, Swiggy, and Google-backed Dunzo are amongst the consortia that have reportedly received an approval from the Directorate General of Civil Aviation, DGCA, to test flight drone deliveries in India. The regulator has permitted over 10 groups to start testing beyond visual line of sight, BVLOS, drone flights. The new development could help enhance essential deliveries in the country. Companies including Amazon have been testing orders deliveries via drones in the US for some time. The latest move is also expected to create new opportunities for aerial surveillance that would help in disaster and military operations. We have been working on powering delivery via drones for some time now and welcome this move from DGCA to test our systems. We are excited to build the future of aerial food delivery in India. In December 2018, Zomato acquired Lucknow-based startup Tech Eagle to enable food deliveries via drones. The Gurugram-based company also tested its drone technology in June last year using a hybrid drone that carried a payload of 5 kilograms. It is a part of the Clear Sky Fly consortium that is amongst the groups getting the approval from the DGCA. Alongside the Clear Sky Fly consortium, the DGCA has permitted BVLOS drone operations for Dunzo, ShopX, and Reliance Industries-backed Asteria Aerospace, among others, reports Media NAMA. The approval is aimed to begin test flights of drones that can fly remotely and don't require physical monitoring. In April, the Ministry of Civil Aviation issued an order to kick off BVLOS experimental flights of drones in the country. That order included the names of 13 consortia, including Dunzo, ShopX, and SpiceJet. However, the permissions were reportedly delayed due to the coronavirus lockdown in the country and just a handful of consortia received initial approvals. As of now, the approved groups will only be able to test fly drone deliveries and surveillance in a regulatory sandbox, under the supervision of a monitoring team. It will only be after this testing that a decision is taken on deliveries. The DGCA is also reported to have directed the approved consortia to submit a proof of concept by September this year to a committee called BVLOS Experiment Assessment and Monitoring, BEAM. Upon the committee's response, the firms will be allowed for larger operations in the future.
Please like and subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell for latest updates. Follow us also on Instagram and Twitter.